introduce a bit the band and each one of the pieces. Okay. So this guy is pretty new. We've been rehearsing just for 10 to 12 weeks to prepare this premiere. Okay. This is a laptop orchestra. That means that mainly we are working with laptops, but also with some classical electronic instruments like this theremin. And we are making some images to classical electroacoustic pieces which require not so much laptops but electronic instruments. Okay. I would say thanks to all the members of the band and also to Alex who is in Germany and he couldn't attend our first performance. Okay. And thanks also to the school for their support and interest in this event. If you see, we had to change at the last minute the order of the pieces because of the sound. We cannot get a clear image in the projector screen. Anyway, the first piece, maybe you already know it, is a processual piece from Steve Reich, okay, a classical minimalistic composer from the States. It's called Pendulum Music, and the only point of this piece of music is to set up a number of pendulums of microphones and loudspeakers, and you get some kind of phasing periods of coupling sound. Okay. We have added some processing from the computer, so you will see that the timbre is dynamically changing during the phase motion of the loudspeakers. Apart from that, the piece begins as soon as we release the pendulums, and it ends as soon as the pendulum stops moving. So we will start with this piece.
So